6 Things. Teaching English Abroad. Welcome to another episode of 6 Things. I'm David, your host and channel creator. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Today, we look at teaching English. It's a job many people around the world enjoy. Not only are they teaching and helping others, but they also get to enjoy foreign cultures like a local, not a tourist. Teaching English is a highly rewarding and people-oriented job. However, there are some important things you should know before setting out to teach abroad and accepting a job offer. Here are our 6 things you should know before starting to teach English abroad. Check out the links in the description below for some resources, readings, and helpful sites. Number 1. Requirements. All jobs will have formal requirements that you'll have to meet. Usually, you'll need it as a minimum, a university degree. Some jobs will also require teaching experience or at least a certificate in teaching English. Also, you will need a clean criminal record check. Some jobs only hire certain nationalities. Gather up your documents, and usually you'll have to have them certified and stamped by the embassy of the country you'll be teaching in. It's paperwork, but be aware, you'll need this prepared. Number 2. The pay. You'll need money to survive, so pay is important. Most English teaching jobs don't pay great. But fortunately, they usually pay well above the local rates, and you can live well in countries with a lower standard of living. Housing is usually included, and that adds up to money in your own pocket. Often, your airfare is paid for and you can travel home and back once a year. Plus, many jobs come with extra benefits and opportunities to earn additional income locally, teaching extra classes, giving workshops, and presentations. So, all in all, most teachers can live comfortably while teaching abroad. Number 3. Finding a job. There are many places to look online to find a job. The best way is to get recommended by others. That way, you'll also be sure the job is okay. Besides job ads, contact schools in the country you live in directly. Additionally, you might opt to use a recruiter. They help you through the whole process and can make the process of finding a job a lot easier. You can also travel to the country and find a job while there. But usually, you'll have to exit the country and re-enter before starting work, for visa purposes. Number 4. The contract. Once you have been offered a job, make sure to go over your contract closely. Does it include housing, and is that clearly detailed? Is the pay rate and the dates you'll be paid clearly stated? Are the responsibilities of both employee and employer clearly described? Is there any penalty if you have to terminate your job, travel back home, or get sick? Don't hesitate to ask for things in the contract to be added or modified. Your employer wants you to be happy. Number 5. Doing the job. Teaching English is wonderful, but clearly, like any job, it isn't for everyone. Depending on the courses and age of students you'll be teaching, you'll need different skills. But overall, patience, flexibility, a positive approach, and a creative personality are important. Try volunteer teaching where you live to find out if you have what it takes. You'll be working with people, often kids, all day, so be warned, it can be exhausting. But it comes with experiences you'll never get in any other job. Many teachers who start out teaching abroad as a way to travel end up making teaching a career. We kid you not. Number 6. Health and safety. You will want to have health insurance coverage. Some jobs will provide that either through private insurers or government programs. Make sure to have contacts locally that can help you out in case of any emergencies. Most countries are safe, but normal precautions you'd take at home go double when abroad. Also, be aware of culture shock. Have you ever spent a longer time abroad before? How did you handle it? Some people do get very homesick and lonely, but usually it goes away after a few weeks or a month and you find your rhythm in your new country. So there you have it. 6 things that you should know before heading out to teach English abroad. After teaching abroad, you won't be the same person. It changes everyone. But it is for the better. Good luck with your next job posting.